Chi magishiman mirin wikachi hanli pesin sai. Makakapika varena okutui masarang laka mirinji ngashit mihai kasana. Tidas kabiga sangaka tuja kani. Remake up the archery kamdaya pauping. Tribal Affairs and Hills Administration Kawai Manipur Autonomous District Council with former member being a boy. ADC election with HAC clearance boy. Separate administration Gabo Wuivang MLA Baulin Lal Hauki with Dungli Action Quick Vai Federations of Humain Chief Minister Memorandum Misangayra. Like Yangator, Achu the Tangkhul Express with Wungramphi Ngalung in a palmy dalei, Baubing may sign Nangarumsa. Tribal Affairs and Hills Administration Kawai Manipur Autonomous District Council ADCs with former members being a boy. Ngapamji let pau how keep no quidalei, Ka ana sangna stately makapom wuivang, Kapung Shong with welfare activities li, Marlak in a satsu hayrada, Minister Digitalised Kawai boy. Manipur Press Club Infali former ADC and Ungrayona, Paume Bingli Pongshok. Minister Katar recruit Kasaji Masabayaka, State Government Portfolioji Naka Minister Akali Mibaya. ADC li fund allocate saya the Chief Minister Embarrassing Assembly li kahang jila mamshung manager. Fiscal year 2020-21 when ADC li fund allocate masama na the former ADC member Janhanga. Taming with former ADC member K Lang People Nala Sangka Pandaga High Local Party election, ADC election with Maramli Hangsanga. Kapung now being with Democratic Right nga Kawai election Takta Sapulungra Kachihanga. ADC election Maramli Cabinet to elect Leisalala Hills Area Committee HAC na Tribal Affairs and Hills Department kala election commissions we request li manghanga rangachi. ADC election sa kawai HAC na zata kala assembly kazip hitharan clearance mikhavai former ADC members ping janaboyra. Security ninga krik layaka election ji law and order manage sa kabay ADC ping li sapo kuranu kache ADC saikor rip sata saplungra kache malay manada atum hanga. Separate administration Gabo Wuivang MLA Baulin Lal Hauki Pitungli Action Quick Vai Federations of Hume FOH na Chief Minister Memorandum Misangayra. Manipur separate tribal Cookie Hill State maningaka Union Territory Mikhavai MLA in State Assembly li hangai saichi. Haukip nukupo chiwi Maram State Shorkana address Sakavai Federation jinaboyra. Maram hi Assembly session ni kuikata haukip we appeal Maram li Shorkana terkami former clarification chokavai boyra. Kala haukip we dungli legal action kuikavai Federations of Humena boyra. Chief Minister Wikatan ni shit kasang pongshok ta haukip na kupoji kalan mirag chi Federation jina shit kasang pongshoka. Federation jina memorandum mi kasang jili Jasat area, Mombi Hills, Jambi areas, Haukip Reserve, Mandum Principality, kala Singson Principality hikata hiwi maram ni Totrinjan la leiha leiretwi lyric misangaji. Kuki now being na politically separation administration jena Manipur kala mi bok pingwi along lake ngakai leng sakaura gaji Federation jena hanga Kuki land kapoji practical masamana kala makamushung claim li panda kabona the Federations of Humena hangsanga. Manipurli Organ Transplantations Wuivang Institute of National Organs and Tissue Transplant Organization Nathum Machut Mier Northeast India Shong Organ Transplantation Luiramni Manipurna Mathame Twitter Shock the Khalei State Ngasada Organization Jena Machut Kaya Mier Nathum 14th Indian Organ Donation Day Angaran Amei Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Wiazingdi Guptang Dr. Ambedkar International Center New Delhi Makok Mia Gazibjali Health Service Manipur Director Dr. Sanahan B. Devi Kala Awitim Ne Erwerchi Wangaran Kuya Paumia Khalei Assault Kasa Manipur Police with Sub Inspector Lee Suspense Hire Officer J. Nikhil Singh Hoda an Impact TV with Paume Ramesh Chandra Mangang Li Assault Kasa Wuivang Yari Kala Paume Bing Namakhamia Pong Shokaya Impact TV reporter Jina Achahwan Bemtang Imphal IDP Spring Rally Pau Mikhavai Zat Kasana Police will Otsak Chili Makamia Marlak in a Rahau the officer Jili Suspend Kasa Imphal East District Superintendent of Police K. Mekachandra Singh Guptang Janbao Shoka Chui Chiz Committee Should Sub Inspector Otsak Chi Crave Misconduct Police Department Katha Discipline Force Wena Shokrad Mapaning Saot Sakna Dagapishoka Sing the suspense ada disciplinary inquiry later Chitale Paumili Assault Kasa Otsak Chile All Manipur Working Journalists Union Kala Editors Guild Manipur na Panglak and Kantem Sire Manipurli Human Trafficking Shock the Khalei with survey Sali Tegokui Maram India Working Group Against Trafficking IWG na Pongmi Ira Survey research insight into the functionings of anti-human trafficking units in Manipur, the Imphal West Kala Bishnupur District Li Kasana. IWG we mi montu ahantem we reported issued district kanini human trafficking shock kawai apam kamatayang saya. Aruhon said along the apam makai na aka ungshung wagshung komekar kahai hina trafficking we ought transit point ang sire. Trafficking teilak in a pasakayor kala nampui na ngalang mikangsak hina kamatay ng saya da hanga. Bishnupur District Survey jina machut kakuya tishuda kacham kangay kala ngalang pay kawai apong kangachap hina human trafficking crisis li matailak ina ngurumsang dalei. Socio-economic issue wuivang local no being trafficking di tasang bailak kawaji. Government service matada odma kasai hinala trafficking risks madailak ina konuto tu alungdi mataiming saka the survey jina takewe issue hi high school dropout rates li khungsun da takewe zingum trada phangado trada t-shirt we alungdi khalei being vulnerable salak dalei survey jina take a quick kala kisaka para kala guchi anti-human trafficking unit AHTU recommendation mier trafficking we anguyung zangshung yang sangkawai shorkana yang sangkmi matami palungra support system maling may palungra guchi hi hang atam na survey report copy hi relevant department bing kala Manipur Commission for Protections of Child Rights chairperson Lila Mihai Rojia Manipur Education Department we are using the multitasking staff MTS exam results sangna ban mikhavai wuivang Joint Action Committee JAC in hunger strike Saro Jer 2016 to 18 MTS Education written test candidate being the saikorali maringa papong shokta atumi result takta chishat mikhavai boyer result takta mushok miyaka disabled candidate being a kakti haurad hangkamatin shokai rasai JAC Janagahang School Directorate of Education no Atpam Shamadi the Trada Kutumivang 2016 to 18 along the written test from Mikahaina 2018 we in 2024 kum dangkai rau chishad mihaura the Chief Minister na tui mi la result shock kami mangawa to the 26,000 candidate being we 1,000 mapakilak la later leji ang red hi sakangai sakaira kacha candidate tangkaiva ara eligibility with age limit kangi jihaira tahanga JAC with disabled cell convener Bibam Govindan Singh Tuig Hai Haptali Kahang result chi thakta mushok miyaka hunger strike sara chilila mangana sanga ka ngakak tiaura da machan sanga maram hi thaklak eina yangsang mikhavai JAC jinanga kawaira achon tarik khaniwi assembly session gzipli MLA ranjit na maram wuivang khangahan sai Education Minister TH Pasanda Kumarna ngahan kakaji ningyang maungmana da JAC jinahanga result chi achiwi tarik tharuk thongwi alungdi shok mikhavai Education Minister TH Pasanda Kumarna chizikami JAC na demand sadale result chi mapong miyaka tarik shini thongwi na hunger strike saro jera latluita achiwi kamdaya paupi Tribal Affairs and Hills Minister Shin Kawai Manipur Autonomous District Council with former member being a Boyer ADC election with HAC clearance Boyer Separate Administration Gabo Wuivang MLA Baulin Lal Hauki with Dungli Action Quick Vai Federations of Humena Chief Minister Memorandum Misangaira Achawi bao hiling changai bao ngana da claim sum saikorali ring pa kala kamahaya zimksho ng sa serano